Yo, what's up guys, it's Pioxy, the CryptoPie, and today we're going to be talking about the market guys, and especially of course the Bitcoin chart, because that will predict what the whole market will do, alright? So, let's just take a look at the market cap at first. So we are at 510 billion guys, let's refresh it, and yeah, 510 billion, so that is looking very healthy, right? But, so the alts guys might go down a little bit at the moment compared to Bitcoin. If we just look here, right, obviously when Bitcoin raises this fast guys, your alts will go down, okay? That's just what happens. You know, there's nothing we can do about that. So, you know, if we look at alts, they're all down, right? They're all down. It's just what it is. We can't really, I mean, we can't really do anything about that, right? But as you can see, most USD pairs compared to like Bitcoin, you're up, okay? So it's just what it is. But you know, let's dive into the charts guys, because I have some things to show you guys, right? And also a warning, well, a heads up kind of, you know, to make sure that you're not going to be in a downtrend if we do go downtrending, you know, that you have a stop in place if we get to a certain point. So let's get into the Bitcoin chart guys. So before I show you this guys, let me just show, let's just open a different Bitcoin where I don't have everything drawn. Let's just take Bitstamp here, it doesn't really matter, right? Because I want to show you guys something. Let me remove this all. So if we go to the weekly here, the weekly, alright, and we see a pattern, okay? We see a pattern here guys. This right here, the weekly, and these are all closed, so I can consider this as a pattern now, right? This right here. Great like drawing of this, but that right there guys, that is what we call a morning star. Alright, that is a morning star, and that is a bullish reversal pattern. To see that on the weekly is very nice. I don't know why not a ton of other YouTubers have talked about it, I think, because it's candlestick patterns, right? It's very basic, but that's basically a morning star, and I believe it could, we could potentially, this could have been the bottom, and I just start to think it more and more and more because of, you know, patterns like this, like a morning star doesn't just happen guys. It doesn't just happen, trust me on that one. It's a bullish sign, so you know, I just wanted to get that out of the way. So you know, let's get back to our normal Bitcoin chart guys. Also, let me show you guys, before we get into the normal chart on Bitfinex, let me show you the longs and the shorts, right? So this is a chart guys, you can look, this chart shows you the longs. Right now we're going down, okay? So that's people who go long that think Bitcoin will go up, and that's from Bitfinex, right? People that go long. And this is the shorts, and that is building, right? Basically people that are betting on the market going down. And you know, we just have to consider that as well. So you know, I have both charts in my watch list as well. So let's just get into Bitfinex right now. So what I see going on here, you know, I draw my 1 2 3 4 5. So obviously this doesn't need to exactly hit this guys, it's just a prediction, right? Let's just get the Fibonacci extension here once again. So trend-based Fib extension from the bottom, so around here, right? And then to the top here, the number 1, and here's the number 2, right? So let's just get that, and let's get rid of that. So you see that our number 3 point was just above the 1, okay? Now it's very, well, it's not unlikely that we will get to 1.618. However, let me just change this real quick. We also need to add another number here, which is the 1.414. Bitcoin likes to also visit that. So guys, you know, I would say do this yourself as well. Make yourself an area, right, between your 1.414 and 1.618. Alright, let's draw an area right there, and we'll make it red. And this is an area you need to watch out for, okay? Just simple like that. And that also coincides with this top, right? So basically just like this guys, actually a little lower, like that. Alright, so that's where you have to look out for. This is also an apex point. You see like channels cross each other here, the top channel and the number 5 and the down channel, everything crosses here, guys, is a very critical point. If we get above this with nice volume and we stay above it, we're bullish. Okay, so when we get anywhere close to this area, guys, every day I want you guys, if you want to, but what I will do is put my stop below the previous day low, because obviously if you go lower than that, we're going bearish, right? We're just going bearish then. It's simple. So you see, like, ever since we came from here, it's been a higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low, then a lower low, because we had a 1-2, higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low. Even with the 3 to 4, you had a higher low. See, higher low. So if you get a lower low, guys, that means we're going bearish. Okay, so that is what I will do, guys. I will definitely put my stop in under the candle, basically. So it will stop me out of my Bitcoin and go into tethers and perhaps euros, but mostly tethers. I mean, it's just a normal US dollar or euro is not on most exchanges, right? Like Binance and stuff. So we'll most likely have to go in tethers for a little bit if that happens, because what will happen then is we'll most likely see a double bottom. All right, I don't think we will see a lower low anymore. I mean, it's still possible, but I think it will be truncated if we do go down, because of the what I showed you. All right, the morning star, how bullish it is. All the bullish signs tell me that we cannot go that bearish that we make a whole new lower low, but we obviously have to test that when we do go down. All right, so that is just my my gut feeling about Bitcoin and my analysis. All right, that's just, I'm very bullish in the medium to long term. But in the short term, guys, when we get up to here, I'm very careful, alright? Very careful. And I'll put my stops under the previous day every time again until we're nicely above it. And then, I have nothing to worry about, right? So that is what I will do, guys. And if I get stopped out and it's for nothing, then you just buy back a little higher, right? You have a little less Bitcoin, but you have to remember, if it does go down and you are into Tether, or into euro or US dollar, and it goes back down here, guess what, guys? You can buy a lot more coins back, alright? You'll be happy. And also, if you want, you can keep, like, what I like to do is like between 0.1 and 0.2 Bitcoin on BitMax, so you can short Bitcoin as well from the top to the way down, right? And just make some extra profits on the way down. So that is my plan, guys. That is what I will do. So I'm just telling you guys what I will do, right? This is the 4 hour. So right now, like this okay, so this was very weird, right? I thought we would actually hit here, but we didn't. So I need to actually put my 4 right there, right? That's where 4 is now. So also, let's just do some confluence here. Remember the 1.6 on 8? Well, let's see if that's also a 1. Like, what is that from here to here, guys? Right, let's just look for some confluence. That's close to the 786 for a wave 5 extension, but a 1-to-1 extension would bring us above this, alright, above the whole danger zone, so to speak. That would be absolutely brilliant if we reach this level here, but we'll have to see. Okay, so that's just a confluence as well. And let's just turn on the cloud here, although obviously the 4 hour we're above that. But the daily, you see the daily, we basically need to get above it. Alright, we need to get above it. And that's the daily cloud. And you see we have a nice little pocket here that we can go through. But right now it will be tough. Right? It will be tough to go through it, guys. So what could also happen, instead of directly going down, is just a big consolidation, right? Just a big consolidation over a few days, like 10 days, whatever, 12 days, and then pop through. That is also another possibility, especially because we consolidated here for a few days as well before we went down. 14 days, guys, 14 days just consolidating. That would be boring, right? Will be absolutely brilliant for the alts. So if that happens, then that's good for alts. not so much for Bitcoin. I mean, Bitcoin will be boring then. Right now, Bitcoin is fun, right? It's fun, and definitely try to get your alts cheap, guys. You know, I'm still, you know my coins, right? You know my coins. You know the Neo, you know the Ethereum, you know the Icon and Bitcoin, right? That's my core holdings. And yes, I did sell some Icon and I bought some more cheaper, and now it's below my entry. And you know, I don't care, because if it goes lower, I'll buy more. All right. You know, you just have some long-term holdings, and you know, I call it, it's the position trades, right? It's the coins that you want to build a position in, and for me that is Ethereum, Bitcoin, Neo, and Icon, right? That is my position holdings. For you, you know, you have to decide yourself, but that is what I call strong holdings. Why? It's because Ethereum, Icon, and Neo all have the same kind of deal. They want to do ICOs on them. Neo and Ethereum are already doing that. Icon still needs to really, you know, shine. We're still the ERC20 token, but you know, I can see us just becoming we're becoming a real coin soon on Icon, and then who knows, right? Who knows where we go? $20, $30, who knows, right? We'll have to see. Right now it's about, I don't know, like $4 or $5. So, you know, if you want, try to get some. But, you know, that's basically my whole idea of the market right now. So, in short, guys, short-term summary. Basically, when we get up on this danger range, I call it danger range, right? I just start putting my stop under the last daily candle. Okay, if I got stopped out, so be it. Alright, that's what it is. And if it just keeps trucking, it keeps trucking, right? Until we're well above, then I'm not that worried about stops anymore. And you know, that's how I'm gonna play it, guys. Just to tell you how I am going to play it, and that is just the way to play it for you as well. So, you know, it's to mitigate risk, right? It's to mitigate risk, and that's what I will do. So, you know, just do your own plan, but then you know what I'm doing. So, also, guys, if you're not in my Telegram yet, the icon, my Telegram, guys, the CryptoPies blog, join up with the CryptoPies blog, where we talk among each other. It's just a big chat box to be in, where you can ask me any questions, ask other people questions, and you know, everyone loves it in here, and it's just a great place to be. Also, I recently added a little bot here. It basically prevents new people from linking stuff. I don't want people who haven't been in my chat box for 24 hours yet linking stuff, because you know, it might just go crazy. Okay, so it will automatically be removed. You won't get kicked or banned or anything yet, so it's all fine. But you know, just no links from new people basically. And also join up with the CryptoPies feed, you know, where I post all my videos, my analysis, my just ICOs, you know, to stay up to date. But also I remind you of ICOs that, you know, you still, let's say you whitelisted for some, but you can't keep track of them all. Well, you know, the ones I'm also whitelisted for and I'm planning to go in, I will definitely keep, you know, tell you guys. For example, I told about this one right here, right, from Electrify Asia. I forwarded those announcements, and I also put it in the CryptoPies blog on the pinned message for those registered and whitelisted for Electrify Asia. Don't forget to participate if you want to. The crowd sale will be held on the 23rd of February, and the minimum contribution is 0.5 and maximum is 1.067 Ethereum. Ethereum USD is packed at $940. Alright, so that is basically, you know, it's just a nice chat box to be in, and also the CryptoPies feed. So both telegrams will be in the description below. And if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Hit that post notification button. And if you got any questions at all, leave a comment below. And I'll see you guys in the next video.